Hello all, happy new year and welcome back to my channel. Now this is the model that I'm going to be painting in a cool desert scheme, but first I want to talk to you about print minis. Now the kind people over there have recently contacted me to review and promote their store. In return they sent me the following minis, which are amazing quality I might add. I will be doing battle reports with them as well in the near future, as they are fantastic proxies for Necromunda. Now, check out their store in the link below and I'm sure you will find anything you desire, ranging from terrain to a huge amount of models, and I do mean a huge amount. So I would like to thank the good people at Print Minis for sponsoring my channel, and let's unbox and paint a cool mini in a desert scheme for my Ash Waste battles. So I received this box with a huge amount of envelopes that carried all the war bands and their expansions. So as you can see, that's how they came. Nice details on the head sculpt here of Katya and her Cyberhound. Also the uniform looks very cool, and I had this idea to paint these up into also the Cyber Dog. There are 3 of them that came with the envelope, into a universal soldier color scheme. And here are some more City Watch police officials. Now they come with a lot of weapon variations and some head variations as well. Also cool different poses. And I really like the sculpts of these. They are amazing quality. Match well for my Necromunda games or Gang Wars games for one-page rules, which is what I usually do my battle reports with. And I will definitely be using all of these guys. Look at the handcuffs details, a lot of different weapons, the batons, a lot of guns. They also came with some shields, which is cool for the riot police. Yeah, some cool looking sniper rifle. Really impressed with the quality. Now I will of course be doing a little bit of a cleanup. Now let's continue on with some more of the heavy riot officers. As you can see, the envelopes are bubble wrapped, so the minis are protected when they arrive. Look at these details. Heavily armored guy is this one, all of them, and this one kneeling down, so it would be cool to have a shield on him or something like that, or a heavy rifle. A little bit of cleanup is necessary for the supports from the 3D prints. Look at these head sculpts. Very cool. The details are amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna have fun painting these guys. Alright, now let's look at the adversaries, which were also kindly sent to me. Same envelope, very carefully packaged. And here they are. Also a lot of weapon variations and head variations as well. Very cool with the little skull attached to his cloak. The breathing apparatus. The cables, the missiles on his backpack. Look at these guys. Breathing mask. The spiked helmet or the hair. Kind of give me a little bit of Mad Max vibes as well. And of course also those Ash Waste, Necromunda roamers. And this guy rocking that cool mohawk. Would be a cool head for another ganger as well. Now some more expansions here. They have a chief, a shaman and a merchant, which was also sent to me. Look at this guy with this massive claw. He can do some serious damage with that, also with that weapon. Now it is to know that these models don't come sent with some bases, so you have to get some bases, but I'm simply going to blue stuff a lot of my Necromunda bases. I still have a couple of them, so I'm going to use some blue stuff and duplicate those bases so I can attach these guys on some duplicated bases. These swords, they look very cool. Nice. This rocket launcher is awesome. Some hands, some more heads. Very detailed. nicely sculpted. And these have to be my favorite, I have to say. I love these critters. Look at them. These sand sprinters. I think I'm going to paint him up into a coconut crab-like scheme. That would be cool, wouldn't it? To have some of these guys running around in the ash wastes with a coconut scheme. I mean, look at these guys. Very cool. Very detailed, actually. I really like them a lot. And this is the Beastmaster. Nice. Nice adversaries for the City Watch Police. Alright, so yeah, thank you all at Print Minis for sending me these. It's gonna be a joy to paint them up. And it's gonna be an even bigger joy to play with them. Alright, so I'm gonna wash them in a bit of soapy water and then clean them up carefully with an X-Acto knife. And this is just so the paint adheres better. Then it's basically just a fact to simply just super glue all the heads and weapons that you want on your minis. Now I made some bases for them, as I said, and primed the police in Mechanica Standard Grey and the Heroish gang in Xandri Dust. But I'm gonna cover this model with Xandri Dust. Basically a rough, full overbrush. But I want it to be a little bit more darker than the others. That's why I gave them a prime of Mechanica Standard Grey, and this is Katya, the leader. Now we're gonna do that for all of these guys. Once that is done, I'm going to do an overbrush of Raid Bone. And this is of course for the desert scheme. So just overbrush them all with Raid Bone. For about, yeah, 80% coverage. Now do that for the entire warband, of course. These guys are standing right here. I really like the movie Universal Soldier from back when I was young, so I wanted to do these guys in the same uniform colors, so the desert scheme would be awesome. Now I'm going to thin down this sepia wash with a 3-to-1, so 3 parts water to 2 parts wash, and cover all the models that have been overbrushed with Raid Bone. Now let the wash dry fully, because that's important. And next we're taking some Mornfang Brown, and I'm gonna draw some swivelly lines all over, in this case, from her cloak, well, her coat actually, for the desert pattern, the desert camo scheme actually. Some blobs as well. Doing it on all the parts that I want to be her uniform. And while we're at it, we're gonna paint the belt and the pouches as well with this color. Not the boots, but the paint and the, well, the belt and the pouches, yeah. Also, her armor has gotten the same camo cloak, camo color scheme, sorry. Not used to doing painting videos, but... Alright, now, once that is done, we're gonna put some random black dots on the uniform. As you see me do here. Don't have to be sparingly. Some dots can be bigger than others. It's just another part that matches with the desert camo. Now we're gonna cover the weapons and the handcuffs as well with the black while we're using it, and any other parts that need to be metal. Then once that is done, we're gonna use a white paint. Pick one, whatever you were, whichever you prefer, and put white dots within the black dots. As you see me do here. And you can already tell where this is heading, so it's starting to look really cool for that desert camo. And basically the paint, to paint the rest for the skin color and the hair, do whatever you prefer. Now I'm going to use some skeleton horde first, and we're going to use this on her knee pads and on her boots. Excuse me. So use skeleton horde and use a thick coat on that for her boots and her knee pads, and also for the rest of your warbands, of course. Or if you're gonna get a full army, then do that. Now one more part of her uniform jacket, and that's the leather, and I'm gonna use Gorgrunta fur for that. And you probably can notice that I've painted in the skin and the hair and everything. there was no use in me doing a tutorial on that because everybody can paint skin color and hair color the way they prefer, so just sticking to the uniform on this tutorial. And as you can see, I've already started to work on all the other police officers as well. Well, police enforcers as well. So yeah, here she is, looking cool. I'm gonna enjoy painting all the other ones as well. So again, a massive thanks to Print Minis for sponsoring this video and sending me these cool models. And a massive thanks to all of you for watching. Now I will cover the Heroish Gang warband as well in a follow-up video to this one with a warband overview and a quick painting tutorial for those who are interested as well. Now I know this isn't my usual type of video, but I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. And I wish you all a great day and see you all soon. Bye for now. Bye.